Insert the Kali Linux USB pen drive into your USB port and then reboot your laptop computer where you are going to install your Kali Linux. Make sure this laptop computer you are not going to use it anymore, because once you install Kali Linux, it will overwrite whatever operating system that already exists in it. So now we are going to start the computer. I'm using this Acer laptop. Watch the F2 at the bottom. Press F2 the moment you see it to enter into your BIOS. Different computers have different key to enter into the BIOS setting. For this laptop, the key is F2. So now I'm in my BIOS setting and I go to the boot panel and select USB HD drive. Then I click exit yes to save configuration, and now it is booting. Now it is booting. Select the graphical install menu item. Press enter. And now select the language English. Click continue. And then select location. Click continue. Select the keyboard. I'm using American English. Continue. Then you detect your USB pen drive, which is actually the cd-rom. It's a virtual cd-rom. You will now load all the items from your USB pen drive. Now you detect your network interface card. This is the built-in network interface card. I will select my Wi-Fi, but you can skip this if you don't want to configure this now. Enter your Wi-Fi and then set your host name. You can skip the domain name if you don't want to. And now configure your root password. My root password is TOOR, root in reverse, TOOR. Click continue. Select your time zone. You will now detect your hard disk. Select guided use entire disk. Click continue. And then select the first one, which is your hard disk, not the second one. Second one is your USB pen drive. And select the first one, all files in one partition. Nothing to change. Click continue. And now write the changes. Select yes. Click continue. And now it will partition and format your hard disk. And start installing the system. It will ask you whether you use a network mirror. Select no. And now install the grub bootloader. You should select yes to install it to the master boot record. And select the hard disk, which is the first one, not the second one. The second one is your USB pen drive. Click continue. And now it will install the bootloader to your master boot record. And now it will do all the remaining settings to finish up the installation. And so the installation is complete. Click continue. And now remove your pen drive and reboot the PC. And then you got the new splash screen. Just press enter. And it will boot into your new Kali Linux. Enter your username root, R-O-O-T. Click next. Enter your root password, T-O-O-R. Click sign in. And you get your desktop. So this is the completed install of the Kali Linux.